Removing mirror glass.
In order to be able to remove the entire exterior mirror, you must first remove the mirror glass and the mirror cap. Tilt the mirror glass forward. On the back you can now see a clip that fixes the glass on the top of the servomotor. Press the clip down a bit and then push it inwards, thus releasing it from the anchorage. Then the mirror glass can be tilted out at the top and finally removed. Then unplug the heating cables and you're done.
Removing mirror cap.
After the glass has been removed, the mirror cap can be removed. There is a clip at the marked point for this purpose. Pull the clip backwards while pulling the mirror cap outwards. Here is the clip again after the mirror cap has been removed. A long screwdriver that is angled at the end hook is best suited for this. When reinstalling, just put the mirror cap back on, tap it lightly. The brace then locks automatically.
Removing mirror housing.
As soon as the mirror cap is off, you can see the 3 screws, Torx 20, from the mirror housing. The screws are now freely accessible and can be removed. To detach the mirror, remove the cover on the inside of the panel. Here you have good access to the control unit and can unplug the 2 plugs of the mirror. In my case, and for clarity, I took the panel off. However, this is not necessary to remove the mirror. Simply unplug the 2 cables coming from the mirror. When installing, you can of course simply follow all the steps backwards. However, it is easier to mount the mirror glass first, and then the mirror cap. Both ways are possible, but this saves you from fumbling around with the clip from the mirror glass. That's it again. Good luck with making it yourself.